Warren homeowners face a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from freezing winter temperatures and icy winds to hot, humid summer days. These seasonal changes can take a toll on home comfort and energy bills, especially if exterior doors are outdated or poorly insulated. Choosing the right energy-efficient door can make a significant difference in maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures while reducing energy costs. Here's a look at the most effective energy-efficient door options suited for Warren's seasonal climate and why they're becoming a popular upgrade. Insulated steel doors. For maximum thermal protection, steel doors are one of the most energy-efficient options available, making them ideal for Warren's cold winters. Modern steel doors are constructed with insulated cores that help prevent heat transfer. Key benefits include excellent resistance to cold air infiltration, strong durability against harsh weather, tight seals that reduce drafts, enhanced home security. Steel doors provide reliable insulation during winter while also reflecting heat during summer, keeping indoor temperatures stable year-round. Fiberglass doors that perform in all seasons. Fiberglass doors are a favorite among Warren homeowners due to their versatility and energy efficiency. These doors are designed to withstand temperature extremes without warping, cracking, or swelling. Advantages include high insulating value, resistance to moisture and humidity, low maintenance requirements, wood look finishes without energy loss. Fiberglass doors maintain their performance through freeze-thaw cycles, making them well-suited for Michigan's seasonal changes. Energy-efficient glass inserts for natural light without heat loss. Many homeowners want entry doors with glass panels for added natural light, but older glass inserts often lead to energy loss. Modern energy-efficient doors solve this problem with advanced glass technology. Energy-efficient glass features include double or triple pane glass low-E coatings that reflect heat-insulated glass units that reduce drafts. These inserts allow sunlight into the home while maintaining insulation and comfort. High-performance weather stripping and seals. Even the most insulated door won't perform well without proper sealing. Energy-efficient doors designed for Warren's climate include advanced weather stripping systems that block air and moisture. Effective sealing prevents cold drafts in winter, keeps hot, humid air out in summer, reduces moisture intrusion, improves overall energy efficiency. High-quality weather stripping ensures consistent comfort regardless of the season. Composite doors. For long-term stability, composite doors combine multiple materials to deliver exceptional energy performance and durability. They are engineered to resist the expansion and contraction caused by Warren's temperature fluctuations. Benefits include strong insulation properties, resistance to warping and cracking, long-lasting seals, minimal maintenance. Composite doors provide a reliable solution for homeowners looking for both efficiency and longevity. Professional installation maximizes energy savings. No matter which energy-efficient door you choose, professional installation is essential to achieving maximum performance. Improper installation can create gaps that allow air leakage, negating energy-saving benefits. Professional installers ensure precise alignment within the frame, secure anchoring to prevent shifting, proper insulation around the door, durable exterior and interior sealing. This ensures your door performs efficiently through every season. Lower energy bills and increased home value. Energy-efficient doors reduce the strain on heating and cooling systems, leading to lower utility bills. Over time, these savings make energy-efficient doors a cost-effective investment. Additional benefits include improved indoor comfort, enhanced curb appeal, increased resale value. Long-term energy savings. Buyers in Warren increasingly look for homes with energy-efficient upgrades. A smart door choice for Warren's seasonal weather. Energy-efficient doors are a practical and impactful upgrade for Warren homeowners facing Michigan's unpredictable seasons. With insulated materials, advanced glass options, durable seals, and professional installation, these doors help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while reducing energy costs. If you're looking to improve efficiency, comfort, and long-term value, investing in energy-efficient door options is a smart decision that pays off through every season.